In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get glitter nails perfectly at home by yourself very inexpensively. As always, start off with a base coat to help your manicure last as long as possible. Because glitter can get pretty messy, you're going to need a skin barrier. I'm using tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and tape off my fingers to prevent any extra glitter from getting on my skin. If you have a hard time being stable, I highly suggest taping your hand down to your surface. This is just going to help the whole process go a little smoother. Next, grab a nail polish that matches your glitter and apply 2 coats of that to your nails. So there are a couple ways you can apply glitter. One of my preferred methods is to sprinkle the glitter into the cap and then use a toothpick to place each glitter particle on the nail. This will help with precision, but if you have to be somewhere soon, I suggest just sprinkling the glitter onto the nail like this. Another way you can do this is to sprinkle your glitter on a surface and dip your fingers into it. Once you're happy with the opacity of glitter, you can go ahead and take some manicure scissors and just cut that tape so that you're able to move your hand. If you have any extra glitter on your skin, you can just use a little fluffy brush and dust that away. Now it's time to top coat. Glitter is a top coat hog, so make sure you apply this liberally and cover the entire surface of your nail. And in the event there are still some glitter stranglers on your finger, you can just sprinkle some nail polish remover on top of that and remove it with your finger. And there you have 3 easy ways to get perfect glitter nails. Make sure you tag me in all of your recreations.